Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Coinbase Commerce payments for crypto checkout detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Coinbase Commerce payments for crypto checkout, begin by visiting the Coinbase Commerce website. Log into your Coinbase Commerce account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate the API Keys section. Click on Create an API key to generate your unique key. Copy the newly generated API key and store it securely. Next, go to your website platform where you want to integrate the crypto checkout. Open the plugin or extension for Coinbase Commerce on your platform. In the plugin settings, paste the API key you copied earlier. Make sure to save the changes to the plugin settings. Now, navigate to the Products section in your Coinbase Commerce account. Add the items you want to sell by filling out the necessary details. After entering the product information, click Create Product to save it. Once your product is created, return to your website platform. Follow the instructions in the Coinbase Commerce plugin to link your products. Test the integration by going through the checkout process. Ensure that the payment options show up correctly during checkout. If everything looks good, your Coinbase Commerce setup is complete. You are now ready to accept cryptocurrency payments through your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.